What's going on, guys? This is the first episode of Do It By Hand with Handy. I'm P. Handy, and today we're going to be working on a 2013 Chevy Impala LTZ. We're going to be installing the cold air intake, new headlights. Follow me. Come. Let's go. And new tail lights to the vehicle. Let's get it going. Earlier this week, I got some packages that came in, and there's a couple goodies. We have K&N cold air intake. And I want to give a big shout out to VIP Motos. You can follow them here. VIP Motos on Facebook and VIP Motos on Instagram. For the lights, let's see what we got. Yeah.
That's sexy right there, man.
Yeah. Man, that thing's all the way in there. Uh-oh. And these are going on the rear. These smooth right here. So I got the hood open here. We had to move the car into the garage because as you can see, the weather wasn't too nice to us today. But I'm gonna show you what we gotta do. So we're gonna have to take off the battery terminals, both brackets, intake manifold cover, MAF sensor, air box. We're gonna put everything back in, and then we're gonna move to the rear of the car. Let's get to it.
Young 7 make a splurge. Young 7 make a splurge.
guys, so we got the battery terminals disconnected. We took the intake manifold covers off. We took both brackets off. This one is off, but since we have an aftermarket alarm system, I'm not gonna cut these off because I can work around it. Next, all we have to do is take the box out, the MAF sensor off, this bracket, take everything off, and we can start putting everything back in.
It's getting serious on this track, fam.
You a fool.
This man is taking so long. He's so petty. He pulled up like 10, 7, 19 minutes ago. It's crazy.
2,000 years later.
Got some Amazon packages today. A million years later.
It's getting serious on this track, fam.
We got the old box out. I'm gonna do a quick comparison. Show you the inside. As you can see, there's nothing there. We took the old box out. So I want to show you guys a quick comparison between the before box, this big clunky thing, and the new slimline version. You feel me? So with this one, this thing is big, clunky. So you're also gonna reduce a little weight. Also, this was the old air filter. This is the new air filter. So much prettier. So we're gonna go ahead, before we install it, we have to go ahead and install a bracket, unscrew the radiator bracket, and install our new bracket so that we can connect the new box to the car. And also off camera, I wanna just tell you guys that I installed the mass airflow sensor stopper because it doesn't have the full fuel injection setting. So I just put a little cap on it and stopped it. And also a quick connect tube. So let's go ahead and install that bracket so we can install the new box to the car. All right, guys, so we got that in there. Real tight fit too, because we have an aftermarket alarm system here. So this is the actual alarm. This is what you actually hear. So got that in there. Now, let's go ahead and get this thing going. Let's install everything back in. Alright guys, so we got the box in the car. I had to take off the alarm horn so that I can screw the bracket in. But now that we got the box in, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take a quick break because we hungry. So I got the box in, and when we come back, we're gonna go ahead and finish connecting the cold air intake, and then we're gonna install those headlights. Alright guys, so we back from our break. You know we had to go be fat boys real quick. Had to go get something to eat. So let's go ahead, let's go get back into it. Let's get this cold air intake done so we can hear what it sounds like. Alright guys, so I got the cold air intake installed. I just need to tighten up one bracket, reconnect the mass airflow sensor, reconnect the brackets, reconnect the battery, and put on the intake manifold. And it's time to hear that horsepower. It's time to hear that new power, baby. Oh yeah. So I got the cold air intake installed. I'm gonna have John turn on the car so we can get a quick cold start and so we can hear that new power, and then we're gonna take it around the corner, hit the gas a little bit, and see what we're working with. Alright guys, we're gonna do a quick ride around the block. I just want you guys to hear the horsepower. Hear that engine roar. Hear that engine roar. Ooh, let's go. Damn it,
Right.
Can't
go that way.
Oh snap.
It's kids that way. It's kids that way.
Oh snap.
We need to not scared of kitties. Don't try this at home, folks.
But if you do try it at home, just have fun
Just
with it.
have fun with it, baby.
Have fun with it. All right. Here we go.
You can't so do like that.
Oh!
Yeah, bro, like you gotta hold on to it.
You gotta hold on to it. Oh, yeah.
Huh?
What? This is gonna be fun. You're gonna love this.
I'm gonna love this,
You're gonna
bro.
love this. I can't wait to do it to the truck.
Oh, I can't wait to put this on the road. It's growling now. See, that's what it used to sound like when I first got it.
That sounds better.
Now it sounds even better.
I'm gonna catch you guys at the house. All right, guys. I'm sweaty. I'm dirty. We got the cold air intake installed on this 2013 Chevy Impala LTZ. Stay tuned for part 2 when we install the headlights and the tail lights. All right, guys. So if you like what you see, I want you to smash that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and smack that like. Get with us.